Hello and welcome to In with Aishamie. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to create a customized image and write-up for your brand. Yes, customized image and write-up for your brand. So please watch this video till end and follow me step by step. So let's get started. What we are going to be doing first, go to your Play Store. Let's go to our Play Store, then to our Play Store, then you search this app called Bing. Then search. So Microsoft Bing. We are going to be downloading it. I've downloaded it already, so that's why it's showing you open. So you are going to download on your phone and install it. So I'm going. Okay, so it's loading. Then after downloading this app, you are going to be signing in. So I've already signed in, that's why it's showing me like this. You have to sign in with your Google account or maybe Microsoft. If you have Microsoft account, Google or Gmail account. So let's get started. So I've already signed in already. So you have to sign in with your Google account. So then you click on Microsoft. You see Microsoft. So click on Microsoft. Then I have my image prompt already. So let me go to my Google Doc to get my image. So you are going to be getting your own image. You can follow me as I do. So this is the image I need. This is the prompt I want to be using to generate my image. So I'm going to put it inside so that so let's generate our image. So what we are doing is that we are going to create, as the first video we use our picture to make a talking motion. So I'm going to be using AI image. So just want to create AI image. So this is it. Then we are going to be swapping our face to it. Yes, we are going to be if you don't want hijab, I'm going to be dropping the prompts in the group so that you can be used. Or if you can be creative, you can even type any prompt that you want, but just follow this step. A professional young African Muslim woman. You can use you can use, it's because I'm Muslim, that's why I use Muslim woman. I just want to make that woman to wear hijab. So that's it. Wearing a mustard yellow hijab and a navy blue suit, sitting confidently at a desk with a laptop in front of her. She smiles warmly in a modern corporate office with a monochrome blue background. A frame sign on the wall clear show the text Aishamie NG in bold capital letter, clean, sharp, hyperrealistic cinema. So just be creative. So that's it. Now we have generated, then I'm going to be downloading it. So I'm going to be downloading it. So after downloading this image, what the purpose of this thing is that you can use this to run adverts. It's because digital, maybe I just use this for as an example how you can create it for a brand also. Yes, for a brown dot. But how to generate prompts, I'm going to be showing you later how you can generate your prompt if you don't have prompts. So I'm going to be teaching you. So let's get started. So I've downloaded it already. So the next thing is that to swap our face, our face to it. So you are now going to go back to your Play Store and download photo photo lab. Yes, photo lab. Sorry. So this photo lab. Can you see? So download it on your Play Store, then click on it. We are going to be swapping our own face to the image. So this what the purpose of creating this, you can use to run as the video. You see the video I show you in the group. So that's what we are going to be doing. So want to use this to create ads. There are so many things that you can use this thing to do. You can use it to maybe create content. You can use it to create content. You can use it to run ads for your brand. You can use, maybe you want to showcase anything for brand. So you can use it to do so many things. Maybe you want to try and do maybe motivational speech. You can use it. What you need is just your prompt. Yes, what you need is just your. So we want to swap our own face. We want to do face swap now. So let's go to click on our photo lab. Click on home. Then click on these three dots. Let me go back. These three dots. So click on that three dots. So you see where you see basic effects. This basic effects. Then click on it. Please follow me step by step. Click on it. Then you are now going to search for customize effects. This customize effects. Can you see? Yes. You click on it. Then yes. This face, fake a face. Then please follow me step by step. Fake a face. Yes. You click on it. After clicking on it, so after clicking on it, then you see where you see 1 and 2 with head of, maybe let me show you this thing. 1, 2. Then first thing you are going to be doing, click on first one. You click on this number 1. Then you click on this click on this one. The picture icon to get your own picture. First you that we are going to be let me click this. This is my picture. Then the one I want to swap face to the image we create with being copilot. Yes. Then you choose it as second. This. Then you are now going to click the arrow. So it's processing. Can you see? Yes. Do you see now that the face change? So it's changed to my face. Can you see? So they will think you are the one. They will know that it's AI. They will know that it's AI, but is only is only people that know that you are the thing you use to run your ad is AI. Yes, we have done the face swap now. You see that is even resemble the picture I use. So the face change. Then you click on this three dots again, save to device. So you click on download. So it's loading. We have downloaded our image swap. Yes, we've swapped our face to our image that we generate. So then we now go back to your dump. You know that on our first video, we learned how to use the dump lab. So I know that it's going to be easy for you now. So we now go to our dump lab again for our motion. So dump lab for our motion. This is the dump lab. This is it. So if you know that you have not watched the first video, please try and go and watch it. So you are going to be so that you can know how to go about it. So click on it for our so that we can generate our. Then click on profile. Sorry. Okay. Click on plus button. The plus button. Sorry, is the plus. So if you know that you have not had your name and you are just watching this video, so you are going to be clicking the first thing you are going to be doing is to click the profile to add your account, to add your maybe use your Google account to sign up. So you sign up with your Google account, then go back again and click the plus button, then click on this upload your photo. So can you see that the face we generate before the image we generate and the face, they are not the same. We have swapped our own face to the image, to the AI image we generate from Bing. Can you see now? So we now click on the face swap that is uploading. So that's how to create how to customize image for brands. Then you click on next. Yes, then add audio. Can you see now that the face is different? So you are going to swap your face to it. They won't know. They will say, you are now office woman now. So they won't know that it's AI that you use. But some that know how to create it, you know that you use AI. That you use AI to create it, image generation to create it. So now what we are going to be doing is to click the plus button to add an audio, then click on it. Then we are going to be using AI voice over, so to get our script. Yes, so the script I'm going to be using, let me go and look for my this is the video I generated before. So let me paste my remove this. So we are going in the is almost 500 already. So this is my script. This is the script I'm going to be using. I want to use this to run ads. So you can use it to run ad, you can use it to create content, you can use it to showcase your brand. Maybe you are running maybe you are running promo, you can use it to create awareness for your brand. Yes, so many people are using it right now. This is what I always use to run my ads. So let's choose our voice. Let me use Sarah as as usual.
Today is the day to remind.
So generate and upload. So you're not going to be click. So you first, after putting your scripts, what you'll be adding, don't forget to add your voice. So your AI voice, you click. So I choose Sarah. If you are a man, you can choose man. So I choose Sarah because you can generate. If you are a male, you can generate for male also. So generate. Let's preview our video.
Are you into a graphic designer, gamer, content creator, digital marketer, or video editor tired of high app costs? I have a solution. For just 2,000 Naira, you can access over 300 plus premium apps completely free. No subscriptions needed. You'll save a ton by avoiding individual fees. Plus, you get unlimited credits for your favorite AI websites. Perfect for search or creative tasks without worry. Here's a short list of included apps. Canva Pro, Netflix Pro.
So that's it. Just use any content. Maybe you want to create advert for your business, or maybe you want to create motivational content. So we are going to be doing learning about that also. But for this training, training purpose, that's why I create this tutorial. So that's it. Then you click on generate and upload to generate your video. So you now click on make talking photo, click on it. So it's processing. Let's wait till the process finish. Our video is ready. So click on this arrow button to download. This arrow button, then toggle on it to download it. So that's the video. So then click on video, then done. So wait for it to download successful. So that's how to create your video, your talking video, talking image to video. That's how you go about the app. So if this video is helpful to you, once again, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, because every week I'm going to be dropping AI tips and dropping tips on how to make money with AI videos, free tutorial video. So I'm going to be dropping free tutorial video. So that's it. Thanks for watching. So to check our video, let me go to my gallery to check the video we created. Now this is the video. Let's play our video.
Are you into a graphic designer, gamer, content creator, digital marketer, or video editor tired of high app costs? I have a solution. For just 2,000 Naira, you can access over 300 plus premium apps completely free. No subscriptions needed. You'll save a ton by avoiding individual fees. Plus, you get unlimited credits for your favorite AI websites. Perfect for search or creative tasks without worry. Here's a short list of included apps. Canva Pro, Netflix Pro.
So that's it. That's our video.